Jackie. That sounds so crazy trying to say that theme song, but that is Jackie's theme song. But you guys, this video is about, you guessed it, or you read it, I mean it's in the title. But we are going to be talking about the new launch between Jackie Aina and AnastasiaBeverlyHills. So if you guys are interested in seeing some swatches, some first impressions, and what this, where is it good? Is it worth your money? Should you even get it? Stay tuned. So today is Thursday, August 15th, which is the official US release of the palette. I do believe she had like a soft launch on like the 5th, and then it launched on AnastasiaBeverlyHills website on the 6th. So it's been available on the website, but I hate getting stuff online because I hate the waiting game. So I just waited until it was officially released in stores, which was this morning. I went to the mall bright and early. No one else was in Sephora when I was there, so I had my first pick of this palette. So I picked this up and I wanted to come home and try it out, play in it, and see what this palette is all about. Like I said, you can get it on anastasiabeverlyhills.com. It's also now available in Sephora and JCPenney, and in Ulta, and then it'll be international tomorrow, which is the 16th. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the package yet. It's been hours since I bought this palette, and I have not taken it out, not looked at it yet, because I just wanted to open it up with you guys. And my god, look at this palette. The outside alone, the packaging is amazing. It's like embossed leather or whatever material this is, but then it's like duochrome. It's colors, the colors change whichever way you shift it in the light. I mean, this is beautiful. Like, this is definitely like, if you're a collector of makeup, definitely get this, because like this is just pretty to look at. And here are your colors. Comes with a mirror, of course, and then your colors are in here, and then it also has your standard eyeshadow brush. But yeah, these colors, like from off the bat, these colors they're very rich, they're very deep. Now, as Jackie is a woman of color herself, she did collaborate with this palette, keeping in mind us ladies who are on the darker spectrum, you know, warmer skin tones, so that shadows can actually show up on our complexion and be very pigmented. And these seem as though they will definitely be pigmented enough. The colors just look very rich, and yeah. And I do have to say that this is my very first AnastasiaBeverlyHills eyeshadow palette. Yeah, my first one. I don't know, somehow I just never gravitated towards their palettes. Not saying that they're not good, I'm sure they're great, but I just never gravitated towards it, and I felt like I never wanted to spend that much money on an eyeshadow palette. But Jackie is a Black YouTube content creator, and I've always supported a lot of stuff that she's done, a lot of collaborations that she's came out with Artist Couture. And so once I found out she was coming out with a collaboration with AnastasiaBeverlyHills, I definitely said I'm gonna have to invest in a palette for once. Just a couple swatches of some of the colors, and then we are just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. That is why we are here. As you can see, I've already have my face done. I'm just gonna go ahead in with the eyes. Don't know what kind of look I'm going for yet, but hopefully we come out with something good. So if you guys are interested in seeing what kind of look I come up with this palette, stay tuned. Alright, so for starters, I think I'm gonna start off with Ginger, this tan shade over here. It's like a good crease transition color. Dipping into the palette, there is some fallout. I don't know if you can see that there, but there's like a teeny bit of fallout, which I don't really mind. If the palette or if the colors are going to be pigmented, I feel like you know, fallout comes with the process. Some people get turned off by the fallout. I don't really mind. just dust it off and place it. And then just a little lower than that transition color, we're gonna go in with Edges, which is like a terracotta kind of brown color, you know, just a little bit deeper, a little bit warmer. We're gonna put that just below Ginger. As you can see, the colors pigmented, they're blending very well together. It's kind of coming off like super warm. It has a red undertone, like a reddish, maroonish kind of undertone. I like it. Alright, so I feel like I need to put in some color here. So I'm going to go into Big Wig again, which is this purple shadow right here. And then back into Edges, just to get the edges. I want to go ahead and apply some of my setting powder underneath my eyes just in case we have a little bit more fallout than we would like. We'll be able to wipe it up at the end. I am going to first start off with Zolas. Zolas, yep. And that is this kind of like greenish gold. It's like gold with like, I don't know, it has like a little green hint to it. And we are going to go ahead and place this on the inner corner of the eye. And I'm not really doing a cut crease, but we're going to try to place it in cut crease fashion. Follow me? Okay. Now this color, I don't know, maybe it's the kind of brush I'm using. Maybe I need like a flat concealer brush to place this, but I don't really have that. It's coming off as if it would be like more of a glitter, so it like you can dip into this and tap it over and it'll come off very glittery and very shimmery, because on its own without the brush being wet it looks very like light. I don't want to say dusty because that's not the word, and not like in a negative way dusty, but like I feel like it would look better top it as a topper on another color to be more like glittery. So I'm going to try to go in with my fingers and see if that'll change the payoff. Yep, and as always the finger works. And then right behind Zolas, we're gonna put Wiggly's, which is this like cranberry color right here. It's also shimmer. And then I'm gonna also go in with my finger. I love that. It's like a very like fiery orange kind of color. To further ombre it, as you can see, I went back into Zolas and I'm just blending the two together, and it's kind of making like a peachy kind of shade to make like a bit of an ombre. Then I'm going to go back into Big Wig, that purple, and place it on the outer corner. I went ahead and lined my lower lash line with this Essence Extreme Lasting eye pencil. It's just in black. And for the lower lash line, I'm just going in with that purple Big Wig just to smoke it out. Okay guys, so this is the final look using the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup palette, and I have to say I really like this palette. The quality is great, the pigmentation is there, these colors are popping, the blendability, they blend together very beautifully, they show up really great on my skin, and yeah, I think this is a really cool palette. This is my first ever, like I said, first ever Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. But yeah, I really like this one. It does cost $45, so it is a little steep for an eyeshadow palette with only just 14 colors. The quality of the packaging, I mean, the packaging on here, it feels amazing. And this is just like embossed crocodile. I don't know, but it's just, it feels really good. It's very sturdy, and it also comes with a brush, which I did not use, but it does come with a brush, dual-ended, so you have like a shadow brush on one side and a blending brush on the other side. But I did not use this brush. I feel like it'll work pretty well. It feels good, but I just used to using my brushes, that I just went with using my brushes. I would recommend, if you have the money and you are a makeup lover or a makeup collector, because this would look really good sitting on your shelf, because yeah, but I would highly recommend picking this up. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join this little but growing family, and also turn on the notification bell so you are notified when I do upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.